policing, your strategy implementation. How do we go about that? So there is something called the COP framework, which is the content, the objective, and the placement. And aligning all three of this gives you maximum, impact into your business, which is the sweet spot of your business. So the content, the placement, and the objective. The content is, say, what you're trying to achieve, your bundle. So going back to the bundles is to say that this is the bundle I have, this is the content I want to sell. Where do I place it? Where are the social media channels? Where are the channels to place it? Do I want to put it on all social media channels? Do I want to put it on my website? Do I want to send it via newsletters? I always say maximize all the channels and all the avenues you have so that you can know which is working and which you need to, systemize and optimize on, so that you can consistently continue to grow on that platform. And then what is your objective? What is your objective? I'll show this is what I'm trying to achieve. Sometimes I always say that there are good conversions and bad conversions. There are good conversions and bad conversions. So yes, you want people to sign up to your newsletters. What if they don't actually need it? So you have people who are just staying on your database, who are not necessarily interested in your product. So ensuring that you know your objective will help you with good conversions and not bad conversions.